Hi guys, it's me again, Sarah, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are doing an unboxing video of a meat slicer, and my husband bought this at Williams in Sonoma. So without further ado, let's get it started. Let's open the box.
Come through and ask me out tonight. Call me, I'm waiting on the other line. I'll be her before.
And for sure, there's a surprise inside. Someone get inside the box already. You can come out now, excuse me. You can come out. I will get the box. This is the brand name is Chef.
You can't say it.
My tongue is twisted. So this is the brand name, guys. And open it. I cannot say it. My goodness. You have to help me, babe.
Just for video.
Yeah.
I didn't do my makeup.
Excuse me. No, what if I drop this?
Okay, it's mine. It'll be fine.
Inside the box is also this one, guys, the transparent tray where meat or cheese goes inside this thing, and it also has a manual and an extra fuse. Now, gonna move on to the slicer.